Imagine a world where AI applications are not only smarter, but also more reliable. LangChain and LangTest are revolutionizing this space, offering transformative capabilities that enhance AI's potential across various domains. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. LangChain empowers developers to build robust AI applications, from chatbots to bias detection tools. Meanwhile, LangTest ensures these applications are accurate and unbiased, providing a comprehensive framework for AI reliability. LangChain is the backbone of intelligent chatbots and virtual assistants, enhancing user interactions with AI-driven responses. It also powers search and retrieval systems, making information access seamless and efficient. Beyond chatbots, LangChain automates data extraction and content summarization, streamlining processes in industries like healthcare and finance. Its capabilities extend to code generation, simplifying complex programming tasks. LangTest is crucial for detecting biases and ensuring robustness in AI models. It benchmarks performance, ensuring that AI applications are secure and reliable across diverse datasets. Regression testing with LangTest maintains model performance, preventing errors and hallucinations. This ensures that AI applications remain effective and trustworthy over time. AWS offers a suite of services to support LangChain and LangTest, from Amazon Bedrock for model integration to AWS Lambda for serverless execution. These tools streamline AI development and deployment. By leveraging AWS, you can automate LangTest workflows and monitor performance with CloudWatch. This integration ensures that your AI applications are not only powerful, but also reliable and secure.